Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about UNEP Global Climate Litigation Report 2021. So the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP has released its Global Climate Litigation Report 2021. The report was published by the UNEP in cooperation with the Sabine Center for Climate Change Law at Columbia University. See, the report highlights that the climate litigation cases have increased in recent years, and the litigations have made the courtroom increasingly relevant to efforts to address the climate change across the world. Now let's discuss about the key findings of the report. See, as per the report, climate cases have nearly doubled over the last 3 years. Increasing climate cases are increasingly compelling the governments and corporate actors to implement their climate commitments. The cases are also compelling the government to pursue more ambitious climate change mitigation and adaptation goals. And as per the data provided by the report, in 2017, 884 cases were brought in 24 countries, while as of 2020, cases have increased to 1,550 filed in 38 countries and the European Union courts. Report finds that the climate litigation continues to be concentrated in high-income countries and the trend might further grow in the global south. Further, the report also identifies the trends in climate litigation like violations of climate rights. That means that cases are increasingly relying on fundamental human rights such as right to life, food, health and water. Now let's also discuss about United Nations Environment Programme. So United Nations Environment Programme, which is also called as UN Environment, was established by Maurice Strong in June 1972. Following the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm, the organization involves in coordinating the responses to the environmental issues within the United Nations system. It provides the leadership, deliver science and develop the solutions on issues like climate change, management of marine and terrestrial ecosystems, and green economic development. Further, it also develops the international environmental agreement and helps in achieving the environmental targets. The primary aim of the United Nations Environment Programme is to help the world to meet the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Environmental agreements such as Minamata Convention on Mercury, Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD), Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora sites, and Convention on Migratory Species are organized by the United Nations Environment Programme. Further, it also helps in implementing the multilateral fund for the implementation of the Montreal Protocol and the Global Environment Facility.